what he's going to do, he's going to hold this here. His left hand is going to be his face. His right hand is going to be down here. Okay? Exactly the same dynamic that we have had before. Exactly the same dynamic. Same movement, same talking, same me being here. However, at any point in time, he can go from being here to just suddenly going there. You'll notice the shoulder action, and you'll notice the hand action. The hand came ever so slightly forward, the shoulder came back and did that. So it's the equivalent of me being here, and we're talking, we're arguing, etc., and all of a sudden, yeah, we've got that little head dance. That head dance is your first trigger. It's time for you to preempt. The secondary one is this coming in. And what that will force you to do, when he does exactly the same motion on me, is here. Now, this will slow down when you actually hit it, but if I'm a little bit slower and he's a little bit faster, curving around this, and remember, it's not a straight punch, guys. It's not here, up, there. It's a nice big overhand. You can either do it round, or you can do it relatively straight, but kind of like over, as if you're pitching something, throwing something, shot putting, however you want to feel about it. But the idea being is, when that comes in towards me, now you extended that all the way fully. It's unconscious probably, but the head isn't going to come this far forward. So little movement, but try and keep it pretty much where it is. Okay. So curve that shoulder back. That's it. There. Yeah. Now, this is the hard thing. You put that right in front of your face, and I'm preempting it. Yeah. You might get a bit of a shock. So I'm standing here. That's there. Motion comes in. And I'm there. Throw the punch a bit harder. Throw the punch a bit harder, but aim for my head. Yeah. Throw the punch harder. Yeah. Now throw the punch completely round. Again, round. Okay. Now I do have the option, if it goes completely round, here, it's gone completely round, because even if I've missed and cocked up, I've got this position. Yeah. Which gives me this position. And any number of different flows from that position. But what I want you to be doing now is preempting while covering. Don't make it predictable. Do not be a metronome. Stand there, talk, give them the right, give them the nod, give them the right hand and nod, give them nothing, yeah? So you're really having to watch, really having to concentrate, you're really having to panic. Is this coming in? First couple of times, be nice like Brian's being nice. He's trying not to embarrass me in front of the cameras. Then, because it's the pad, because your arm should be there like an elephant's trunk, start really throwing that punch right fast. You all got the idea?